All right, let's just jump right in. We're going to talk about something that, let's be honest, is getting way too familiar for a lot of us, the power outage. And more importantly, we're going to talk about how you can finally solve it, even if you don't have any solar panels.
You know that feeling, right? The lights do that little flicker, then silence. And that pit in your stomach just drops. Maybe it's the third time this month, and at this point, it's not just annoying, it's a real, actual problem.
And that's not just an abstract number. $400? That's your entire fridge, your entire freezer, just gone. It's a total gut punch financially, and it just keeps happening. So you start looking around for a solution, right? And you probably keep hearing the same thing. Yeah, this right here, this is the #1 myth that stops people cold. The idea that you have to have solar panels to get a home battery, it's just plain wrong. It's nonsense. Look, these things can charge right from your wall, just like your phone. They store up that cheap, reliable power from the grid, so it's ready to go the second you need it. Okay, so with that myth busted, let's get to the fun part. We're gonna count down the top 5 systems you can buy today, no solar panels required. We'll break down what's actually worth it, what's maybe a waste of money, and find out which one really gives you the most bang for your buck. All right, kicking us off at number 5, we've got the Anker SOLIX F260. I'm calling this one the portable powerhouse for a reason. Its biggest trick? Flexibility. This thing isn't bolted to your wall. That is a total game changer if you're renting, or hey, if you just want to grab it and take power with you when you go camping. So you see these numbers, right? What do they actually mean for you? Well, that 2.56 kilowatt hours of capacity, that's enough juice to run your big kitchen fridge for more than 20 hours. Or you could keep your entire home office, Wi-Fi and all, up and running for a couple of days. And for less than $2,000, that's some serious peace of mind.
But there's always a but, isn't there? And this is a big one. It's completely manual. There's no automatic switch. When the lights go out, you physically have to go, grab your extension cords, and plug your fridge or whatever into this unit. Now, for some people, that's a complete deal breaker. For others, hey, the portability makes that trade-off worth it.
All right, moving on up to number 4, we have the FranklinWH W-Power 2. I call this the integrator because it has a really unique superpower. It's built from the ground up to play nice with a backup generator. What does that mean? It means you could have basically unlimited power during those awful multi-day outages. And just look at the sheer muscle on this thing. We're talking 15 kilowatt hours of storage and a massive 10,000 watts of output. That's not just for keeping the fridge on. That's enough to run your entire house, and I mean everything, even kicking on a huge 5-ton central AC unit. This is a true whole home backup. Of course, all that power, well, it comes with a pretty hefty price tag. $18,000 installed. So yeah, this is definitely a premium option. It's really for someone who deals with those long, frequent outages and for whom that generator integration is a must-have. Okay, coming in hot at number 3 is one that, the pros kind of whisper about. It's the EG4 PowerPro. I'm calling it the budget champ because this is the insider's pick. It's how you get that top-tier performance without paying extra for a flashy brand name. And the key thing is right here on the screen. Just look at these specs. 14.3 kilowatt hours, 7,600 watts of power. That's enough to run an average house, central AC included, for a good 10 to 14 hours. But to really see why this is such a big deal, let's put it side by side with the biggest name out there. And there it is. The performance? It's pretty much identical to a Tesla Powerwall 3. But the price? You're getting all that for about 60% of the cost. It's the same power, you're just not paying for the hype. So what's the catch? Why is it so much cheaper? Well, the secret's out. Demand for these is just insane. You're probably looking at an 8 to 12 week wait time. So it's an amazing deal, but you've got to plan ahead. All right, our number 2 spot, the runner-up, goes to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. This one is the modular marvel, and its whole thing is that you don't have to buy the whole system at once. You can start small, get what you can afford today, and then add more battery capacity down the road as your needs change or your budget grows. I mean, just look at that range. You can start with 6 kilowatt hours and build it all the way up to a frankly ridiculous 90 kilowatt hours. So you can start with just the base unit, cover your fridge and your internet, and then literally stack on more batteries over time until you have enough power to run your whole house. Now, here's the thing to watch out for. I call it the price trap. That starting price looks really good, and it is, but if your goal is to max it out,
Adding all those extra batteries can actually end up costing you more than some of the other big all-in-one systems we've talked about.
And that brings us to number 1, our top pick. When you look at the perfect blend of price, power, and just how it performs in the real world for most people, the winner has to be the Bluetti EP100 system. It is, without a doubt, the overall value king. So for just under $9,000, you're getting almost 10 kilowatt hours of storage and that same beefy 7,600 watt output we saw with the EG4. What that means in the real world is running your home for a solid 12 to 16 hours. And yes, that includes kicking on the central AC. It just hits that perfect sweet spot. Now, full disclosure, there is one little catch. If you want to run one of those huge 240-volt appliances, like a big electric dryer or your oven, you'll need to spring for a $1,200 add-on panel. But honestly, for most of us who are just trying to back up the essentials, that's not going to be an issue at all.
Okay, so we've gone through 5 great options. How in the world do you pick the right one for you? It really just boils down to these 3 simple questions. First, how long do your outages usually last? Second, do you rent or own? Do you need something portable or permanent? And third, what's your actual real-world budget? You answer those 3 things and the right choice for you will become crystal clear.
But wait, there is one more thing. It's a huge factor and you absolutely need to know about it. It's this number right here, 30%. That's how big the federal tax credit is, a credit that can literally chop thousands of dollars off the price of any of these systems. And it is going away. Just look at this timeline. It's super simple. If you get a system installed anytime before the end of 2025, you get that 30% back from the government. But on January 1st, 2026, poof, the credit for battery-only systems like these disappears. Gone. Forever. It's a hard deadline, which means waiting is literally going to cost you thousands of dollars. Look, at the end of the day, we all know these power outages aren't going to stop. If anything, they're happening more and more often. So it really just comes down to one question. The power